All right, guys, welcome to Wayne's World Garage. Happy Friday. It's cold out, not really, 40 degrees, but it's time to get some of these logs loaded up. We've got eight nice poplar logs, and we've got 3 white oak. The poplars are all 16-foot long, and they're nice and straight as an arrow. We'll see how many of these we can get in the trailer. We can't take them all at once, that's for sure, but let's see how it goes. And Phil's coming over, and Alan's come over, and we'll get her loaded up. Thanks for watching. Yeah, well, yeah, time to get rid of this stuff. I think, well, I'm thinking get some of these bigger ones out here first, at least a couple of these on here, and maybe get a couple of smaller ones on, 3 maybe, and then 2 on top.
Can you lift the top of the little ones?
I don't know. That's what I think I can, I think. So I know we can push these guys out. We can winch them, push them on. We'll get them on. And then maybe, yeah, maybe some of the smaller ones, you know, a couple of smaller ones. I don't want to go too crazy. These probably weigh 3,000 pounds each.
And what's your capacity?
14.
What's the trailer?
Trailer's 14,000. I have no idea what the truck is.
I mean the weight of the trailer?
2,000. So you can put 12,000 pounds of logs on it.
Your truck will hold that?
Well, that I don't know because I can't find towing specs for it. And I've looked all over for it. But I go 30 miles an hour. It's not a 60, you know what I mean? It's 35 miles. But I think we can, I think if we put these 3 on it and a couple others, you know, we'll see what it does. Yeah. Start, or at least 2. Yeah, let's start with them. Yeah. Let's see what it looks like.
I thought you wanted to start with this and clean backwards.
Oh,
But whichever one you want to do.
it doesn't make a rip of difference. Let's start with the heavy ones first because you guys are here to help. You know what I mean?
Regardless.
Yeah, yeah. So let me let me go to the pickup truck. I'll get that out of the garage. If you could hook it up to the trailer, you know what I mean? Just so we're gonna use it as ballast, because the trailer, we're gonna push it all through the neighborhood, because I think what we're gonna end up doing is putting these on the back end of this, winch it, and push it at the same time maybe. Does that make sense?
Okay.
Yeah. See what I'm saying? Yeah, we'll lift it up, crank it up, lift it, pull it. So let me go over there and we'll be ready to rock and roll. You feel strong, Alan?
You guys get one end, I'll get the other. We'll
Exactly. And I'll supervise.
Morning.
Hurry up, hurry up. No, I'm just kidding. So I'm going to get the front end loader on the tractor. Phil's going to take my pickup truck, the F-250, connect it to here. That'll kind of be ballast because we need ballast. So let's go over there. I'll get you the truck out of the garage if you would hook it up to here.
Okay.
And then we'll be good to go. So just what I'm thinking is lift this thing up, okay? I can roll these logs back with the tractor, put the winch on them with either a chain or a chain would probably be easier than the tongs. Because the tongs, when I use the tongs, it can never get past here. Right. Well, I got to push it on anyway, so maybe it doesn't matter. So the winch, whoever wants to drive that, you have to hold the on button until this little red light comes on, and then it goes in and out. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's fine. You know, so and this, to make it work, you turn it this way. And now it's locked in, and that's freewheeling. So let me raise it up some. Up, ready? You probably want to put that winch thing in your pocket so we don't, yeah, maybe. Good? Yeah, and would you do me this piece of metal back here, that piece of steel?
Yeah.
That goes behind it for a lip, if you remember, okay? And let me start rolling the log out. can do that.
Try rolling to give you some extra.
Do me a,
to the fender.
yeah, thanks, yeah.
Push on the other side. You'll bend. Oh, pick the weight up.
It's up all the way. We're not going to make it?
You gotta dig into a yard.
Yeah, I don't want that.
Go from the other side.
Yep. Well, Dan, what do you need me for? The question now is, so the question now is, yeah, these are nice logs.
Yeah.
So the question now is, you know what, maybe we'll do, yeah, just put that thing on there, pull them up 80% of the way, and I can push it with a tractor the rest of the way pretty easily.
Yeah.
The winch is in the way, so hopefully it'll fit to the one.
You're gonna do it just to the middle and then roll it to one
Yeah,
side?
that's what I was saying. Yeah, exactly. So you're gonna need a shackle. Let me show you where they are. Or actually, this might work here.
You got a short chain.
Yeah, you need a shackle. You need a shackle. There we go. This will work right here. Perfect. Put this on here, and then we'll have a little hook, which will go through that thing. There we go. And you're a boater, you probably know this. For our use, when you're rigging, there you go. And we're ready to go. Wonderful. And you've got the remote?
Yep.
We'll see, right?
Yeah.
We got shocks, we got remotes. Yeah, we're good.
You got a log?
We got a log. I don't know what else we could use. Nothing.
Winch on?
Well, he's going to turn it on. That little red button. Keep holding it down. There you go. See it flashing. So now hit the in button.
You know, with the sunglasses.
I know. They're
The problem I had with that one, trying to back up and the sun was blinding the
Yes.
rear view and the right mirror.
all right. Let her rip, tater chip. And you know what I'll do? I'll help push from that my end. Just to,
If nothing else, we just back the trailer to the wall.
yeah. Well, I can just. This would be easier. Watch. Yeah, we do have a. I think we know what we're doing here. So I think now the goal is loosen the winch a little bit, take the tongs off. I'll push it up as far as I can go, and then I'll roll it to one side. I'm not sure it's in that order, but you know what I mean?
Better you push.
Oh, I will push once we get the tongs off. Oh, tongs still have to come off. Let me get it. Yep, let me get it from the other side. Yeah, they dug in?
Yeah.
You want to drop the trailer?
No, that's all right. Holy shit, this dug in. Holy smokes.
It's a heavy piece of wood, man. You got a hammer? Mallet or something?
Didn't we put the cant in the? Did we put?
Oh yeah, the cant's in there.
Hands right on those logs.
This will work.
Here you go.
There you go. Yep, go ahead. Toss it. You're good. Thank you. Wow. Perfect. And we'll just get him out of the way, you know what I mean? So let me push him up some more, and then we can use this guy to keep him from.
Which side you want to put it on?
Let's see. I don't really know. What do you think? It doesn't matter. How about we do this over here first? Yeah, I don't. Unless you guys have a better plan, because I don't know.
I want to roll that way anyway, so that'll stop the other one.
Okay.
Oh! You okay?
Yep. I was worried about that, and I was being careful. Damn it. Down she goes. All right, I'm ready.
Put that mud down.
Well, I was looking at it, and walking up it wasn't slippery. My bad. I hope I got that on camera. There we. You don't need my. I was wondering about that too. That's cool. I'll push it back up. I can see that. You want to lower it down, or what do you think? It doesn't matter. It's just bending and twisting.
I was wondering, maybe if we load the other one before we do anything else with that one,
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah.
and balance things out.
Yeah. That's good idea. It'll untwist. Good thinking. I think 3 might be enough. We'll see what 3 looks like. The tail is hugely twisted right now. Now I know why it said put that one on next. What do you think? Roll it all the way to the side and we'll see if the other one fits in the middle? Or we'll take a smaller one?
I'm thinking maybe I'll get it in the middle.
You know, it's not worth
Close.
it's not worth it. I've got smaller ones. We'll grab it. I'll grab a smaller one. So if you can roll it to the side, I'll grab one of these. I'll push a smaller one back.
I need your help.
Yes. Yes.
That's about it. Yeah. How much further up do you need to go before we?
You mean with these? They need to be up all the way because look at my.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I have my asset. My tractor will be in the air. All right. Let's see if we can. Oh, you're gonna try it this time, Alan? Watch it. It's kind of slippery on the mud.
Where's that piece
Here.
of longer piece? Oh,
Are you loose?
here it is.
He's got.
Where you can hook it.
Oh, wonderful. Perfect. That's brilliant. Man, no wonder you went to school. Your parents would be proud of you. Awesome. Yeah, so there's no use in forcing 3 big-ass ones on here. We'll take one of these smaller ones, yeah.
That one.
Yeah, might as well, right? And I might, yeah, yep. Man, you're stronger than you look. Wonderful. Perfect, pretty close. It's probably not gonna roll another roll, will it? No, that's all right. That's all right. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, let's flatten the trailer out and see what we got from there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, yep. See my truck coming up? Hold on. Good? Okay? Okay. So you think you want to pull the truck up a little bit, or?
I'm thinking we're gonna load that one.
Yeah.
Load the truck up.
Okay, let me send it to the truck and get it. Let me. Yeah. No, I'm good with that. Absolutely.
I think what we can do.
At least I've got some
roll
ton.
this one to this side
Yep.
and bring it up.
That's what I'm. I think I can roll this guy out and pick him up a little bit. I think. Let's try it. Or maybe we might be able to roll it by hand. I don't know. I see what we got here. Yeah. Okay. Let me roll this guy out. I don't want to. If we lift the tray, I think Phil, I can lift him right up in the air.
You can lift him with what?
One end of it with a tractor. Put one end up here and then push him on. And then this guy will come over. This guy will roll over, I think. I'm hoping. What do you think?
Well,
Let's give it a shot. Yeah. There's a little. Is there a little chain?
If you had forks, it'd probably be better. But
I do, but we have a hook on there.
oh,
I got a
okay.
hook. So, and we can either chain it on here. I'm gonna roll this out. Yeah. Yeah, you got it. You'll figure it out. Yeah.
Let's get this thing pushed over.
Yeah, do you think we can push it over some?
Oh yeah. We can
Oh, you
push
know
it
what though?
over.
Yeah, okay. I wonder if I can push it with a tractor. Not easily.
Keep the block.
Yeah, yep. Yeah. So you want to, Alan's a
As I
can't.
said, you push there, it'll roll.
I can push there with a
How's this one
tractor.
doing?
That one's,
Oh, this tail end can move over.
yeah, oh yeah, he moved way over. You want to try and roll him a little bit?
We could probably do it.
Yeah. Oh, you can do it alone. Jeez, you don't need any help.
Ready?
Yeah, it's good.
Good? Yeah, it's good.
All right.
Perfect.
Maybe try this one and block.
You want me to pull this one with a tractor a little bit?
That one, because it's not going to roll because we're up against the tire up front.
Yeah.
Is it at all?
And not.
Oh,
It
no.
might. Get muscles.
Yeah. You know what though? Hang on. I can pull this end over with a tractor, I think. Let me do that. Yeah, we can do that. How far can I go to the trailer? Good, that's all I can go. We don't need him now, yeah. So I think Let me push it farther up. Just really hooking up. Hang on 1 second. I don't even know. Yes. Yeah, let me lower it down. Thank you. Alan. Yep. Yeah, this is a good load. This looks good. Yeah, exactly. So let me do this. Let me, well, I can leave the track right. I need got one more of these binders. Let me get the other binder. I'll be right back. What's that?
Hold the chalk on the right.
Oh, yeah, let me get the other binder. I got one more binder. The binders are still, I don't have them quite figured out quite yet, but they'll work. Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, thanks so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. We're trying to get more subscribers. Pass it on to your friends. Show it to your mother. Show it to your brother. Show it to your father. Show it to your babies. Take care and have a great day.